So this is one of my favorite ways to clean out a drain. Also nice to have for airing up tires and blowing out the dirty spots of your van. I don't believe they make this thing no more. I googled it and I did find Direct Tool Factory Outlet has it for $89. When I click into Amazon and everything else, I noticed that there's no listings for it. You see they got a pancake 6-gallon and this little inflator that they got now, but I'm not seeing it available. I've had this thing for over 5 years now, and it's operated with 2 batteries. It does have an option to use a 120 volt plug, which I have never done. It has a filter to clean the air. It has a strap up top where you can wrap the hose. I keep them with my copper. It has a drain on the back to drain it out, get the water out, and it has a quick connect port and overflow valve. It is adjustable. Pull this out and you can regulate your out pressure down. You can set it to whatever you want. You know, if you're using a air nailer or something that requires 50, 60 psi, you can do so. I've used this thing for quite a few things. I have jumped it over into a 5-gallon air container and used it for just about every one of my air tools. This is the air compressor I use for home and work. I got a cheapo Harbor Freight air hose, Husky. Actually, it looks like it's Home Depot brand. This is the tip off of your refrigeration flush kit. Just put onto the air hose. Pretty simple. You push in and you have action. I do have a slight leak there. It happens. Blows down pretty quick. Fills up pretty quick. It's pretty loud. Weight-wise, it's about half the weight of my nitrogen tank. Auto shuts off at 125 psi. It is quite loud. I got a truck coming. Killing my videos, man. Killing me. Advantages, like I said, it's light. One finger lift up. I would say it's about 15 pounds. It easy to carry up a 10-foot ladder if got an air handler in the ceiling tiles, or easy to carry up on a roof if you got tons of drains to blow out. You name the scenario, I've used it for little household fridges. I've used it for freezers. I've used it for rooftops. I've used it for just about every drain application you can think of. And I prefer it over the nitrogen for the simple fact of I have one fancy little nitrogen tank there, and I don't want to go get refills every single day. So battery wise, it holds too. I got off-brand in there right now, 6 amp hour, and I got a 4 amp hour Ridgid in there. You can see they don't really eat them up with short uses, but you know, longevity wise, it does eat the batteries up a little bit. Cons of it, the only con that I can come up with is, again, like I said, it's not available for purchase. So if you're looking to buy one, maybe eBay would be your best bet, but it don't look like they have anything available. So is what it is. It's you know, for you guys out there that's getting tired of connecting hoses with fittings like this to blow stuff out with nitrogen, you know, 12 feet up in the air or whatever the purpose may be. This is my solution to it. This is how I do it. This is how I perform it. I will try and attach the video of me cleaning out today the drain to this video and add on to it. And please subscribe, like the videos you like, comment when you got comments for it. Have a good day.